Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another Amazon unbagging. And if you are following my videos, you know that I have been searching Amazon for all diamond paintings that are, well, it started off $5 or less, and now I've gone to $10 or less, just to see, just kind of a comparison of, the quality of the drills, the quality of the canvas for cheaper prices. Kind of like, the budget-friendly sites, but this is Amazon. So far, I've had no complaints. And if you want to know what I have purchased up until this video, just go back, watch my other videos, and you'll see. And I have got links in all my videos to where on Amazon you can get these and how much they were and if they are or are not available still. So, anyway. But I just want to say I appreciate all my subscribers, and if you're new, I hope you consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, and I hope everybody's doing great, and let's go ahead and get into this. So, as you can see, it is a 30 by 40. Again, I got this from Amazon, and this was, let me look. This canvas was $4.98. So, it is poured glue. So, I'm going to roll it back like I always do, just to flatten it out some. Now, the canvas it's a hard canvas, but pliable. Kind of feels rubbery, actually. But this is the image, and I hope y'all can see. Today I don't have my overhead light on. I just have the window open, so this is all natural light. But it is a Christmas winter type canvas. Let me move my other canvas out of the way. But as you can see, it is a gnome, and he's got a green hat on. He's got a cardinal and a lamp with a candle in it. So, with this kit, I'm going to open this one up. Now, if I get a kit and it has anything more than the piece of wax and a green boat and a pen, I call it a step above. So, I would consider this a step above, but this is smushed. So, anyway, it's okay. It still works. You get 2 of the clear pens. One has got a multi-placer on it. Looks like maybe a 7 or a 9. I don't know because I do not use these. I do use the thin 4-placers, but that's as high as I go. So, but you do get 2 pens. You get 1 pink squishy. I guess if I put this in camera. You get the longer piece of wax. This one's smashed. And then you get a green boat and about 4 or 5 little baggies. So I would consider this a step up from the regular average little toolkit. I mean, they're not the best, but, they work, and you really don't need anything more than this. Okay, so, like I said, it is a round, and it looks like so far, honestly, all the kits that I have opened since I've started this little video series have all had the same drills. For the most part. It looks like, possibly the same company, because they all have the same gray strip. So, let's see. This has got 24 colors. Now, there is, yeah, it has the serial number on the bags of drills that goes with the canvas. So if you want to, if you're one of those who puts your canvases in a different spot than your drills, then you'll be able to find what drills go to what canvas. So this has got 24 colors, and it looks like the schematic is going to be all letters. It does have the DMC numbers listed on the schematic, but they are not on the bag. And you've got looks like 3 bags of, I'm sure this is 38, 65, yeah. But anyway, you've got 3 bags of that. But I'm not going to call out numbers. I'm just going to go through and look. And again, I don't see any issues with these drills. That's a pretty green. And you got 2 bags of this color, which is a gray. Now, even though this is a wintry scene, it's not like I'm going to wait. I mean, I might wait until Christmas to do this, but I might not. I don't care about seasons. If it's cute, I'm going to do it. So, I don't see any issues with the drills. And this has got your thumbnail up at the top. It's got your serial number. And like I said, it is a 30 by 40. You've got a schematic on the top left, bottom right. Again, 24 colors. They do have the DMC codes on the schematic. And you're going to have all letters. So, let's go down just a tad. And it's very sticky. And the drill field looks pretty good. I don't see any blurring or anything that stands out to me that would be an issue. And I hope y'all can see this pretty good, being that I am just using the natural light from my window right now. And the sun is kind of going in and out. But yeah, I think it looks good. And like I said previously, I have not had any complaints with any of these canvases. But this is just looking at it. This is not actually putting drill on canvas. So, I'm going to bring you back up. But so far, not bad. And again, this was $4.98. And I think he is cute. Just want to boop his little nose. That's what I want to do with all the gnomes I see, is just boop their nose. So anyway, what do y'all think? Y'all think it looks pretty decent? Have y'all done this one? Would you consider doing this one? I think he's cute. So, alright y'all. That was another little canvas from Amazon. So, let me know in the comments what y'all think. And until my next video, I hope y'all are well and hope you have a great day. And I will see y'all later. Bye y'all.